saying in your routine, the exam schedule we got, that one is related to theory only. What I found, right? But for pre-cam, that is O level and A level students, there we got separately the exam schedule for practical. So you can ask your class teacher or the coordinator in group about the practical schedule. Is it clear?
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
You please ask them about the practical schedule, and I think then you will get one idea from them whether you will get new schedule or the same day or there will be practical or not. Everything will be clear that time. But so
Sir,
far, our previous decision, according to the previous decision with our departmental meeting, we have the decision that there will be practical of 10 marks. Okay, for class 8 and 9 there will be practical of 10 marks, and for O level, A levels, they will have the complete exam style questions like the Cambridge O level and A level pattern questions they will get. So you have anything more?
sir, I have another question.
Hmm.
Wait,
Yeah,
Taki, I have another question
Okay,
actually.
yeah,
okay, sorry,
yeah.
sorry.
Lamisa, say.
Okay. Um, in the practical, we did many practicals, right? So I don't actually have the PDFs, and I think that many of them don't have. So, well, what is the most important like practical that we have to go through? Any suggestions for the practicals?
About the practicals suggestions, we did not do hundreds of practicals. We did
No, we did not do.
maximum
Just I'm
10,
asking.
uh, around 10 to 12 practicals, right? So far we
Yes,
did.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
if you go back to our practical days, it is only on Thursday, right? So
Yes, sir.
check in the calendar. uh, Thursdays, what is the date over there, and go through only those uh, dates. Okay, physics. You go physics practical days, only you have to go few dates.
Sir, will
The
the practical be a little big because in
yeah,
one
I'm
question,
I'm
if
I'm
there's
helping
10
you,
marks,
Lamisa. Let me finish your one question, then again ask another one. I was saying you how to get them, right? Your practicals. You are saying
sir.
how you'll get them or so many practicals. That's why I'm saying these are not so many, only 10 to 12 practicals. You just go back to the previous, classes postings, and that is only once in a week, right? Your practical class,
Yes,
Lavisa.
sir.
So
Yes,
if you
sir.
go every Thursday, like in this month we have 5th of November, 12th of November, then 19th we have practical classes, right? On 19th also we had revision, isn't it? Hello. So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
you go back and you will found all the Thursdays in your Google Classroom. Then it's helping you to get all of them. Okay, it's not that
Sir, I
difficult
have
task.
downloaded all the recordings
Yeah,
till today.
yeah, that should be done by you. If you really
Total
need them,
50
if you
videos.
really need them, you do that. And there is another thing, Lamisa, that is the classes you took part. Those you have notes, right, Lamisa?
Yes, sir.
So if you see that you have like out of 10 to 12 practicals, you have almost 8 or 9 practicals, writing everything is there with you. So you only have to search few, very few, like 2 or 3 days, right? uh, 2 3 classes practicals, you have to find which one you don't have, so that is becoming more smaller for you, right? The
Sir.
Effort is becoming this way. Like don't be so much scared, or don't be that much
Yet,
you the like about the you have exam fear, right? All of you have exam fear. So uh, when you have exam, take it easily, and take it as the step to improve yourself. Don't take it as like that serious matter. I have to get a star, I have to do be first, or I have to be excellent. Don't think that. You uh, just think that I'm going to learn. I'm here learner. So from my mistakes also I learn. I will do uh, as much as possible from my part, and I will try to improve from my present position. Okay, whatever my position is now, from there I will improve. You don't compare yourself with others. You compare yourself with yourself. Is it clear? Hello. It's for
Yes, sir.
everyone. Always
what, sir?
compare. Always compare yourself with you only.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
don't compare with others, because everyone is individual. Everyone has the capacity, different capacity in different angles. So you think that your what is your mistakes you did, and how can you improve there? Is it clear? That will
Yes,
make a great change in your life. That will improve a
sir.
lot in your life. Okay, so if you compare with others, what will happen? Psychologically, you will be weakened. Okay,
Depressed.
yeah, depressed. So always try to improve from your position. That will help you a lot. So after this, if you have any more questions, now you can raise hand. Still, Lamisa is raising hand. Lamisa, you have more questions?
No, sir.
No questions. Then who else have question? Then Mithila, you join later. Abdullah, you join later. We were talking about our exams, practical exams. We will have two practicals the way we did in class, and for that 10 marks, 20 minutes time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
just go through the previous classes recording and worksheets, practical worksheets given. You go there, then you'll understand them, how to do it. Okay, now uh, at least we try few previous practical. Okay, that will help us a lot. So every Thursday, right? Every Thursday you check,
Yes,
like
sir.
this one. 12. On 12th of November, we had this practical. You see, this is Thursday. In your calendar, you check. Then previous one before 12, what should be the date? 5, right? Before 12, what should be the date? 5th, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, date
Yes,
should
sir.
be the 5th of November. So you go to the 5th. You just skip all of them. Just go to 5th one. Yeah,
The 5 November.
yeah, it's still 7 here. Here we have 5th, right? So check here. Where is our one? Here. Okay.
Sir, this one.
You have the
Yes, sir.
recording here. You have the worksheet is there. So this way you go. Only which one you don't have the writings or the notes in your copy, that one you go. It's so easy, right? Like this one we did. Okay. Can you read it? Someone?
Student is given a bag of 10 similar marbles. The student uses a 30 centimeter ruler to determine the average diameter of the marbles. Describe how the student obtains an accurate value. Include a label diagram showing how an additional comparison is used.
Okay, so this one I think is fresh in your mind, right? How to do?
Yes, sir.
We did it very recently, and that's why it's fresh in your mind. So how to do it? Can you say? Adrita?
Yeah, we are going to align all the 10 marbles together and keep them in place using a few blocks of wood,
Mm-hmm.
so that they don't, how do you say, slip off. We are going to seal it with sellotape, and then we're going to measure the total diameter of all the 10 marbles and then divide it by 10.
Yes. So this one, they who were not present, for them, you see, we have the recordings also, right? We have 32 minutes recording, so go through the recordings. Then you will understand how to do this practical. Please go through. Then before fifth, we had our class in the last month, right? When it was uh, 29th.
Before 5th, it was on
29th.
29th.
29th of October. So this way you go. You check 29th. 29th. Yeah. If that day is not holiday, then you must have. You see, we don't have any posting in 29, so that might be one holiday, right?
Yes, that can probably be a holiday.
Yeah, puja holiday maybe, right? Or
Yeah,
something like
then we have
Eid.
22nd.
Yeah. Then we go another one.
22nd.
Yeah. Then 22nd will go. Okay. 22nd we go. Here we go. 22nd. 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 Hmm. Here. You see, here we don't have any worksheet, right?
Yes. I
Why
think
we
we
don't have any?
continued the worksheet
Yeah,
that we
why
did in
you
the
don't have
previous week.
worksheet? Because the previous class one we were continuing here, right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Then we
So
have 15th.
yeah, what was the previous one? 15, right?
Yeah.
This way you go. I'm showing you how to go through the Google Classroom. So don't worry, you have everything. 15. You have 15. You go through. Yeah, here you go. So 15 and 22, these 2 days together we did a single practical, right?
Yes.
Isn't it? So it is another proof that sometimes it happened that we needed two classes for a single practical, right? Isn't it? Isn't it? So
Yes.
here is the worksheet. You see practical your worksheet is there. It's related to the reaction time and it's little bit bigger. You see we have lots of parts of these questions. So if you have these kinds of practical, similar practicals, you will be able to do, right? Isn't it, Anmol?
Yes.
Yeah, Anmol,
Yes, sir.
can you read this question? Yeah, Anmol, please read.
Okay, sir. A group of student investigates their reaction times. The student mark a 30 centimeter strip of card in equal sections in figure 2.1. So student A holds the card at one end so that it hangs vertically. Student B holds his thumb and first finger about 2 centimeter apart just below the lower end of the card, as shown in figure 2.2.
Hmm. Very good. So you are now doing this, right? Continue here.
If student A releases the card, student B catches the card between his thumb and first finger without moving his hand up and down. Several pairs of students perform the experiment. Question number 1. Explain what happens if student B is not concentrating.
Okay. So what will happen?
Sir, will I tell? Sir,
Yeah.
the card might fall.
Hmm. Any other? Any other idea? Anyone?
Student will have a greater reaction time.
Loudly.
Um, since he will miss the card, he will have a greater reaction time than usual.
Okay. So you can answer, right? This question. Then second part, Anmol. Anmol, what is the second question? You
Yes,
please
sir.
read.
State how the card shows which student has the shortest reaction time.
Yeah. I will get it. Is it written in your copy?
Yes.
So what's written there?
My answer was the less the reading of the card, the shorter the reaction time. So thus we can find which student has the shortest reaction time.
Okay, then they who are now, in, a little bit fear still about this question,
Yes,
they have this recording. Okay, so
Yes.
you
okay,
go
sir.
through all the discussions are there. We discussed it elaborately in class. Okay, not only in
Yes,
this class, also the next class that is on uh, 22nd, right? Isn't it? 22nd of
Yes.
October, we continued this one. There is also recording. You check it, huh? You learn it. Then it will be easier for you. So previously, I was thinking to give you one practical from your. I said you that one practical I would give you from your the experiments you did from there, and from outside I will give another one. Is it fine for you? Hello?
Yes, no problem.
What about others? Or you have any demand? You have any appeal? You can say Anmol, Lamisa, Maruf.
what, sir?
What I said now that one practical or one experiment will be from the experiments we did in class, and another one will be from outside. Okay, that is unseen. Similar, that will be similar, but you did not do in class that from that one. Will it be okay? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. Okay.
As long
You,
as it's we have the knowledge.
yeah, you have
Yeah.
any demand or appeal, you can say. Your one you can
No,
say,
sir.
no problem. You if you want that, no sir, give all the practicals from our all the experiments we did from there.
Sir, if it is from our
Sir, from
knowledge,
all the experiments, it will be not possible because even if we go through the practicals, we get miss one or two. Maybe we don't have the correct notes for it. So
yes,
Mhm.
either way, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Now
So,
comes down to our knowledge.
or you have more demand, like, sir, don't give everything, only give from last 2 months, like October, then November, what we did, and September, what we did, only give from there.
yes, October, November.
See, Taki
Yes,
is so,
sir. I also agree.
you see,
Well, I don't have any
Taki,
problem.
yeah, Taki,
Sir,
Lamisa,
give
they
from
are so
October,
much happy,
November.
right? Okay, now
Sir,
I'm
Yes,
making your
Yes.
life more easier. I am saying you that I will give you only the experiments you did in class, as you are
What?
class.
sir, we didn't do any experiments.
her
As
experiment.
Experiments means this practical we did.
Question
This all
answer
are
practical.
experiments, right?
Yeah.
These all are experiments. These are virtual experiments, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
whatever
Sir,
whatever we did in class, we will give you from there. Okay,
no, sir.
Okay.
will it be
Sir,
okay?
don't give the similar question, sir. Don't give the
What do you
similar
mean
question.
don't give similar question?
Are যদি স্যার similar most of the student will memorize the worksheets.
হ্যাঁ তো ভাই যাদের brain is, I mean those who have brains, they will understand that there's a twist in the question. They will answer accordingly.
Yeah,
If he gives a completely unseen question, the others they will just be dumbfounded and sit there and do nothing.
Not unseen question, but related to our topics that
Yeah,
we did in class. I'm talking about that.
yeah, I know. But those who have
I'm
brain, they
still
can
on the
understand the
last
twist
two
in the
bus
question.
idea.
So
yeah. Lamisa likes last two ideas most. So, and
Last
which
idea,
one you
which
prefer most? If I give only from October, November, right? That is
Yes, sir.
that will
Yes.
be that will be most liked options, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I'm okay
Then
with
you'll
whatever
be
others.
then you'll be
Yeah.
very happy for that, right?
Yes, sir.
Tensionless. You will take some mustard oil and pour in your nose, right? And you'll sleep then.
No, that's not possible. I still have to
That's not
study.
possible. The other
I'm
subjects
very,
are
very
really
paranoid.
difficult. We have to
Okay,
study.
Yes,
okay,
I'm very
okay.
paranoid
Don't
and very difficult
don't
also.
forget to take pure mustard oil. Huh? Don't don't take the contaminated one. Okay, try to have the pure mustard oil.
Which
And
brand do you use?
yeah, the good news is I'm giving only from October, November. Okay, whatever we did.
Yes, sir.
Okay, happy everyone?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Happy, happy.
Okay, now what is your part? You will ask in the group. Okay, your
Sir,
class
what did you
teacher.
say? I'm not here because of the net problem.
Okay, the good news I said. What is the good news, Taki?
October and November questions will be given in
Sir,
exams.
sir. Paper 4 or paper 3, sir?
Paper 4, right?
Paper 4.
Practical.
I am making your life easy, and you are saying paper 3. Then
Well, you give it for paper 3.
No,
okay,
it's
so
Paper
okay.
3.
He did a
so
mistake,
I'm not
guys.
interested.
you understood it. You understood it,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Only
Yes, sir.
Yes.
October, November, you have to go through whatever we did. Then you will get your
The
desired one.
practicals.
Okay, desired one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you please talk to your class teacher and coordinator about the exam dates. Okay, practical exam dates. Thank you so much, everyone. Huh? So you have any more questions? You can ask me.
No, sir.
Otherwise we can close our class now. Okay.
Bye bye, sir.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Best of luck, everyone.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
So,